Hey YouTube fam, ready to supercharge your development pipeline? Today I am gonna bring you how to install EC2, how to install Jenkins to the EC2 instance. We will use Ubuntu operating system for this. Okay, let's first create a Ubuntu instance. We will use free trial, but for the production purposes, always try to use T2 large or other some big server, so your continuous deployment, integration and deployment can be go smoother. Okay, let's launch instance and use key pair. We have already a key pair. Why create key pair? We have already key pair. Okay, I think we have to select key pair from here. Sorry. Okay, this is our key pair. Our key pair is exist in here. Okay. Okay, let's launch instance. Let's wait until it's installed. Our instance is running. Let's see. Let's try to connect. Copy this command from here and go to the download. Now try yes. Now search Jenkins Jenkins install Linux. Okay, you will use long-term support. For Jenkins we need OpenJDK. Let's first install the Jenkins JDK. Sudo apt install OpenJDK -17 JDK. Okay, let's first update our package. Sudo apt update. Okay, now this should work. Okay, now installing OpenJDK. For Jenkins it's required, you can see it's required. So now after done the JDK installation, copy this whole command from here and just after install this done, paste it here, enter. It's asked for yes, continue. Okay, it's downloading Jenkins. Okay, our Jenkins installation may be done. Creating sending. Okay, in this time let's go to the our instance and click on security group. Click here and add a outbound rule. Did outbound rule, add rule, #8080 anywhere, then save rules. It Okay, or security group has been added. And now copy this command, copy this IP address and paste here and type 8080 and see Jenkins is running or not. Let's see, sudo sys systemctl status Jenkins. Jenkins is running on port 8080. Maybe it's taking time for upgrading. Security, eight zero eight zero. Check this, why it's not working. Zero save rules should work. Let's try with all traffic. Sorry, it was inbound rule. I mistakenly try with outbound rule. Let's just make it custom TCP, and our exact port should not open all port. Rules. No, still trying. Okay, let's check the password from for the Jenkins. Okay. Try sudo cat, paste this. This is our initial password. We paste it here and click continue. Install suggested plugin, yes. We will install suggested plugin. It's installing some plugins like folders, timestamp or pipeline, git, LDAP, was GitHub branch source code. It will take some time. Let's wait until it's installed. Our installation almost done. Let's set up a admin user. RAKIBUL Linux password. Try hard password. I am just typing something. Name, email address, continue. Okay, you can change URL of this, but we will leave this like save and finish. Start your Jenkins. Okay, our Jenkins is install done. You can check furthermore. You can check everything, my views, create jobs, pipeline, freestyle project, and manage Jenkins. From the manage Jenkins, you can, if you want, you can install plugins, themes, like you can change the appearance, dark, light mode. Okay. Set up agent, set up cloud, this plugins, no plugin available plugins. You can install Blue Ocean. You can install Blue Ocean, just type in install and it will be installed. This pending, it will be installed done. You can do do more research on it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more update. Bye bye.